Oh shit! It took forever, bro. They closed, bro.
Right? I was just sitting there on my phone, bro. I look up, it's dark as fuck.
10:30, they closed. They said they had our shit ready now, but
Man, so how the fuck are we supposed to take it out?
I don't
They
know.
open at
They said
7.
about 7.
That's fucking
They
wild.
said compliments. How are we supposed to get out of here? You left your lights on.
Oh, wait. No me
They
digas
said,
eso, wey.
so they said compliments of the store. They have a couple rooms or a couple beds, I should say, at their shop.
Oh, at their new
So I
shop?
guess we could stay over there. We'll just jaywalk real quick.
I was
I
going
guess
through
they're
the.
inviting us to.
Oh, that's kind of dangerous running across the road like that.
I don't care.
Hmm. Damn, it's dark as fuck. I'm scared.
Right?
Dude, there better be some luxury shit.
Bro. Sorry, it's fuck. What even open? Is this closed too?
No, say swear. Hold on. Hold on.
Hello?
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Shh.
What the hell?
They left the
So
elevator
where
open.
are we supposed to go?
Um, honestly, I don't know. There's a there's a whole bunch of fucking doors. Um,
Hmm.
these are open though. So, oh, that's the bathroom. Oh, this is the women bathroom. Oh shit, I think it should be in there. Um, what
Where's the...
is interrogate? What is this over here? Oh, oh, that's not it. Huh, that's interesting.
Oh,
I never,
get around here.
never knew this was this big, bro.
Hmm. This is just a garage. I am stuck.
And nobody's here for real, bro. I think it might be upstairs, bro. You think so?
You think?
You think the elevators work?
I know.
Si me atoro aquí, güey. Oh my god. Hey. Hey, wait. Wait, are you that way?
Where you at?
I'm upstairs, bro. I don't know where the fuck I am. I guess I'm sleeping up here, bro.
Hmm.
In one of these chairs. God damn it. They told us they had beds, man. Where the fuck are the beds?
I guess I'm gonna sleep down here in this room. This is the bathroom. I'm gonna sleep right here.
Not in the bathroom, bro.
Fuck it. On the table. I'm tired. I don't care. Good night.
Oh shit, man. Fuck it. I'm gonna sleep in the truck over here, if you don't mind me. It's got a camper.
Mhm. It was fucking late yesterday. I don't give a shit. I'm tired.
Man, why didn't you fucking wake me up?
Hmm? Why didn't you wake me up, man?
Oh man, I was sleeping in a comfortable ass bed.
I slept on a fucking chair.
Well, I'm
I
sorry.
don't care. I'm tired.
Alright, let's go see if this shit is open, dude.
Mm-hmm. Better be, shit.
For real, for real. Oh, fuck. Damn. You know, the more I sleep, the more tired I feel for some fucking reason, man.
Ah!
Fucking yellow. Oh, shit! I did not see that car at all, I
Oh,
tell
shit.
you what.
Alright, your
There
stuff
we
is here.
go. Okay.
All baby blued and stuff. Smash your truck. Never this. I don't know why this is like that. I
Um,
guess they didn't have the color on this one.
no, yeah, no, and then I think in the back one day told
Ooh.
me that they didn't have that on. Yeah. Okay. Well, this will have to do.
Mm-hmm.
Question. Where is
I
your
should
truck?
probably go. Yeah, I should
Yeah.
probably go grab the demi. I'll be back.
Oh, I thought you were gonna take your truck to go
No, it's
get
over
the other
here. I
truck.
left it fueling up yesterday.
Oh shit.
Left at the gas station.
No, yo, I need to look into getting one. For real, for real. But I kind of went broke. Not really. Sort of. You know what I was just thinking about?
Mm-hmm.
I need water too, so I'm gonna need a water thing.
Trailer.
Mm-hmm. It don't have to be a trailer. I can just probably get a service. I seen that they had a they could remake the service truck on mine truck, or not the
Oh,
truck,
true.
the bed. They can add a
Oh
tent
yeah,
to
you
the bed
can
of my
get the
truck.
bed. Yeah,
Mhm.
you can get the bed detached.
Mhm. Apparently they do that. Never seen it happen though.
Right.
Which one do you think we should load up first? Mine's
Mm,
so it goes in the back and then
probably the
wait.
smaller one.
Yeah. Turns on and move. Oh shit, it's sensitive. Huh. Does it work?
Yeah. Just gotta disconnect
The
stuff
hoses and
here.
shit. Si no desconectas la madre, güey, luego you rip the hoses off and shit. Oh, se cayó. I'm gonna probably load it forward.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy. I think that might be sitting just right on there. You're gonna need me to put more forward?
Yeah, if you could.
Yeah.
That's good right there.
Turn it off. Strap them up. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at them getting strapped up, bro. Strap the bucket in the back just to be safe. We don't. It might slide off back. I don't know. Don't you dare hurt the damn thing already.
Trying not to hurt the trailer, you know?
More to the left. There, perfect.
I hope my height regulation's okay.
I think it's fine now, right there. Nope, right there. Nope, right there. Perfect. I don't know about this one. Are you gonna need that third axle?
Nah.
There we go. And then I should take this.
Guess I'll follow you.
want to follow me? You want me to follow you? Make sure nothing's falling off.
Sure.
Only if we had a spotter.
We need a couple guys willing to be spotters. Need licenses and all that. Anybody wants to join, hit us up.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at that. Damn. We're sponsoring the joystick. Alright. Oh, it's, yeah, I'm at. Oh, damn. That thing is scraping, bro.
That would be good.
Man,
oh my god.
yeah, these guys need to do work, and I feel like that might. Are you gonna be able to watch out? Any help?
No, train's coming.
Oh, train's coming right now? Okay.
I'm gonna just wait.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, boy.
Ah!
Let me give you a little tap.
Hmm.
I just don't want to rub on the paint. Oh, there you go.
Give her.
I got you here. That's why I got the pusher. Yeah, let me get a little bit. There you go. There you go. No, maybe.
Give her a fool.
I'm giving her. I have an idea.
Pushing me the wrong way, by the way. You pushed me into a hole now.
You ready?
What?
I'm about to help you.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There you go. Ay, espérate, güey. Ah, no mames. I bet.
Thanks for closing it.
You're very welcome. Wait, me ibas a dejar abandonado.
No way.
Yeah, you might have to take the
Where are we going?
route. Up straight. I don't think, is it gonna fit with the thing open?
Yeah, it'll fit.
Okay. Does it fit? No, it doesn't.
How do I use this thing?
I'm coming. Nope.
Nope.
There you go. Nope. The other way.
And then
Yep,
how
yep,
do I?
yep.
Okay,
There you
then
go.
do this. And do, no.
No.
And
Yep,
this.
there you go. Oh my god. Yeah,
What?
that's fine.
What? Oh, that front one's like barely there.
It was on there. Oh my god. Okay. I was about to say, bro, me hicieron aquí, güey. Is it fit? Oh boy. Chill. How much you weighing?
I am at only 32,000 or 32 tons.
32 times and this is holy shit. Only?
Just a little bit.
Wonder what I'm gonna be at when I fill these two up.
Mm-hmm. Where are we going?
So when we first drove by here, I seen that there's a potential road here to our left. It's just covered. Fuck.
Jesus!
There's no brakes. God damn it.
You're great. Thanks.
You're very welcome. You're fine. Here, right here on the left. I'm just trying to see if we can clear this up.
The stone?
Mm-hmm. Cause there's a road
Fuck
here.
it up over here.
Yeah. Let's see where would it be best to start. Yeah, it would be up there. Let me park these up there. You could probably park that right there. Oh, that was tight. I forgot to get a pusher to put it all together.
Nah, you'll be fine.
There we go. Yeah, this is a lot of rocks, bro. Damn. Excuse me.
What's up?
I don't have a honk, I think.
Mm-hmm. You'll probably park a little closer.
And then, how do I lower these again?
Why don't you open up the cover on the thing? There you do.
Oh, I opened the door. There we go. Now we stable in this thing. I think. A la madre. Oh,
Oh my god.
I got it. Look at me go. What, I touched it?
Who gave you your license? What you mean?
I didn't see it.
Shit.
You know what? First person, bro, you can't really see if you're hitting it or not.
You didn't see it? Never mind. You didn't feel? Okay.
No way. No siento nada. No, wait, that's sturdy on the ground, bro. What do you think I have these things for? It's literally stuck to the ground. Que se mueve eres tú, güey. You sure you
I
want to
hate you.
go?
I hate you. I hate you. All right, I quit.
This is why we can't do things, alright?
I hate you.
You the one who started it. There you go. Excuse me.
Oh. All
I'm
right.
trying to work.
I'm dead.
I'm trying to work, man. See, you broke the machine already.
Trying to.
Oh my god. Alright, here, I got it. I got you. Mándalo a la chingada para allá. What did you do, bro?
You? Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is.
Gonna help me?
Bury
Ah.
him, bury him in there. There, I got you. Get him up. There you go.
Oh.
Now let me.
Okay, no move, cuz.
Yeah, I know. I'm going.
No se estorbas, güey. You have your own pile all the way up there, and you decide to be next to my pile.
You moved me. Look at you. See how I'm moving the pile as I'm driving up?
Right here. This is my stuff right here.
Look, you see the look at that, and then I'm a ground to the pile.
I mean, you could get closer to the truck, but yes, sir.
Go reach. A la verga me pasa. No, not that far. I wonder if I can get that extended arm they had on the other one on this one.
I don't know. I don't think so. The arm looks too small on yours.
Yeah, that'd be true. Oh shit.
Controls are a little weird on this one.
They're the same? Well, at least to me, they're the same.
Oh, this feels weird.
I think the first one is full. Yeah, the first one is full. I'm gonna move down there.
Oh.
Oh.
Let me move over this. Swing.
Come on. Right here. Perfect. Oh, la verga.
No mames, vales pa pura madre, güey.
I was trying to get above yours. This one. There we go. Ya say no way.
No supiera. Yeah, vale. Alright.
Alright.
I quit. Oh my god. They're both full?
Yeah. I'm not going to the delivery.
Oh.
Let's just
Alright.
leave that bucket right there.
So you're just gonna keep grabbing from this one then?
For the time being until it's over, done, yeah, which is quite a bit ago.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, bit.
come on, oh boy. Damn, she a little heavy.
Oh, bit.
Yeah, she definitely a little heavy.
Alright, I'm gonna park up the trailer a little closer.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna leave it down here, just so it's out of the way. And I'm gonna head back. Um, do you need anything else moved?
Uh, if you're able, I'm gonna call in right now and see if they have the water trailer, and then, or see if I can just get the. I'll probably just get it for my truck. Matter of fact, yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, that should be good then.
then I
See how
will
much
see
money.
you. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, actually, whenever you need me.
Uh, right now I think I should be good for the moment being. Damn.
I bet.
Yeah, because then now I gotta wait for, I gotta hire some people and have them wash all this.
True. I'm actually getting pretty inspired by your little dig here.
This thing is heavy as fuck.
Oh, I see. So,
Yeah, I know. Kind of pulling. ¡Abra la pinche puerta! Oh, there you go. Now we're picking up some speed. I don't know about braking though. I don't think I'm able to brake.
got you, fool.
Uh-oh. Did you feel that? Uh-oh. That's...
I got you, cuz. I got you,
Oh,
cuz. I
shit.
got you, cuz. Montate, cuz. I got you, fool. Oh, pause.
Pause, indeed.
Train comes through.
That'd be fun.
Where's your place?
It's all the way down southeast?
What's up with these trees? Oh my, you just missed the train.
Yeah, we did. Well, you know, when my house got built, apparently they left all the shit there.
Oh, yeah, they did the same shit with mine. So I'm guessing the same people built yours, sir. Your
I mean, this town is not
house
as
and
big
mine.
as it really seems, to be honest. If they heard we were here and they built that goddamn shop or store shop right away, like that's, you know, good looking. Yeah. And then you're gonna go to your shop, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna just go into my office and see if there's any, or
So
what
we're
I
gonna
can do,
pass
like,
by there actually.
see if
Gonna
there's
take a
any,
right here.
any lots or factories.
Oh boy.
Oh my.
We're good. Alright, well thank you for the help.
Alright, fan, let me know.
Got you. Pinche terracería acá. Oh, the train comes through down here too. Esta me lleva la chingada. Hey yo, what the fuck? Yo, no mames, wey. That is wild. I wonder if I can refix those. Abandoned barn and shit. Wonder if I can fix it. Where we go? Look at that. That was the first one. Can I unload the other one? What the fuck? Oh, there you go. And now we gotta go look for some workers.